Hi everybody, we are in Garden of the Gods, and it's a little bit, how far out? Maybe like a 40-minute drive.
About an hour.
From Castle Rock, Colorado, but it's beautiful. Okay everybody, right now we're in Vail, which is about 2.5 hours from Denver, but honestly it's a very beautiful place. I'm coming back here to snowboard, and that's what it's for.
I will not be participating in those activities.
But honestly, it's a cute little bougie area, you know, nice views everywhere you look, and other than that, you guys should come visit.
Literally all over Colorado today.
Yeah, we're just on the road.
Squeezing it all in. Tomorrow we will be going to Nebraska.
Bruh.
South Dakota. South Dakota. We're going to South Dakota.
No, we take that out.
No, we're leaving that in. She doesn't know her geography. I'm so sorry. South Dakota tomorrow. And then the next day, Wyoming. We are all over.
So it's going to be 6 states instead of 4.
Surprise.
But tap in. Our Vail trip is done. Now we're gonna head back home. So tomorrow we're gonna wake up at 5 a.m. and
4 a.m.
4 a.m. We'll be waking up at 4 a.m. We'll be heading to South Dakota, and then that's when our trip is gonna start. Another whole state. So stay tuned. It's mad early. It is currently half past. I'm just kidding. It's 5 a.m. everybody, and we have a 6-hour drive to South Dakota.
Good morning, world.
Where are we going?
We're going to South Dakota. How gorgeous that it was a real cowboy. Like with the shepherd. Oh my gosh, and they're gonna herd the cows.
Where are we now, Mom? Wow, is it you the wildlife? Welcome to Wyoming. Hi.
Oh, there's a prairie dog.
Where?
Oh, a rabbit?
Bruh.
Wow. Mama P, the model.
Hold your pose.
Yes.
What up, bro? Mom. What up?
Go grandmas.
Yo. Where's your mama?
Mount Rushmore yonder.
We wanted to stand up there, but
That's a no-go.
bees, so no.
That's a no-go.
Not trying to get stuck.
But it's
A few moments later.
Nothing. Don't open.
There's so many bees here. Oh! Okay, so if you look right over there, you can see some of the outlines of the faces from Mount Rushmore.
yeah. So we're about to be at the base, and we're gonna
We're
just.
on our way there right now. We still got a couple miles to go,
Yeah.
but
We're currently at the Norbeck Scenic Overlook, and honestly, it's really cute. It's really nice.
they, no joke, are everywhere. I've never seen this many bees in my life,
So yeah.
and apparently they're only after us. So.
Hey Britt, where are we? Give a little detail.
Finally here.
Oh, right there!
There they are.
I am so many. So, what are the presidents on Mount Rushmore? Quiz.
And it's only like, hey, you have to. It's only not allowed.
Just guess.
George Washington.
1.
Thomas Jefferson.
2.
Abe Lincoln.
Yes. 3.
Oh, I don't know the fourth one.
Theodore Roosevelt. Yee! Ding, 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 ding.
So they started building this in 1927, and I think it was officially opened in 1941.
Yep. Each of the heads are about 60 feet in height, and
Just crazy, cause
I don't know how they built that.
Building that.
I don't even know, but it's amazing. So it's really cool to see this national
Super cool
monument
in person. You always see
person.
pictures, but it literally doesn't ever do it justice. So.
Exactly.
Oh my god.
When was Mount Rushmore established?
I just did. I don't have the energy.
Okay, 27 to 41. Okay.
Hello all, this is Mama P. We're continuing on with our journey. Tomorrow will be Wyoming, and then our last day in Colorado. We don't know yet what we're gonna be doing. Thanks again for all the support and love. Take care, everybody.
Thanks for watching. Tune in for our next episode. So, bye-bye.
Bye. Ciao.
Ciao.